My name is Evette. I'm one of the activities coordinators here at the Nurse Maude Care Home in Christchurch. We're a hospital level care rest home, and so a lot of our residents here have very complex and multiple health needs. So one of the bonuses we have found is that they feel like they've just gotten out of this space for some time to see something different, to learn something different, maybe to relive memories. A lot of them have travelled to some of the places that we've had tours from, and you just see them come alive, and it's so lovely to get to the heart of the people through the use of the virtual reality tours.
Well, I'm learning things that I've seen or read about. I'm actually seeing them now, and we all admit that. We see more on virtual reality, little things than that. If you were there actually visiting, you wouldn't see them. You'd be in too big a hurry to go from A to B. So we think it's really good.
We've got 5 headsets, and we'll always have 5 hands going up saying, they'd love to come in, but we do try and spread it around further and give people an opportunity as well. Last week we had a session, and after we'd finished 2 or 3 tours, they then sat here for about an hour together while they had their afternoon tea, and they just chatted away, and I just cleaned up what I was organising and whatever around them, and they just had a lovely time, and I just felt I could stay out of it, and I think that's important sometimes too. They love it. They love just the escapism of it, I guess you would say.